Welcome to Dovetastic Microwave Theatre. Today, your professional microwave operator is going to be microwaving a OLPC laptop for your viewing pleasure. OLPC stands for One Laptop Per Child. This was bought as part of a promotion going on last year where you could buy one laptop and donate it to some children overseas and also buy one for yourself as well. Today we are going to try to go ahead and test this laptop to see what it is capable of and to see if it's in fact capable of being microwaved inside the mere 9,001 ton microwaving robot. We think that it should fit quite nicely, so we're going to go ahead and make sure that the tilt swivel axis of the laptop functions properly, and it in fact does. So that means that it's ready to go ahead and be microwaved. So sit back, relax, and enjoy microwaving an OLPC. Well, the Amir 9000 one-ton microwaving robot has just alerted your professional microwave operator that the OLPC is now fully microwaved and ready to go. We're going to go ahead and inspect the laptop here. It looks like the microwaving has been very thorough. In fact, it's been microwaved for about approximately 1 hour and 9 minutes and 12 seconds. That should be adequate microwaving for this item, so the post-product looks quite good. We're going to go ahead and turn this around here, and yeah, it still looks very good. So we're going to go ahead and cool this down with our hydro coolant device and remove it with our big, huge asbestos glove. It's very hot, as you can well imagine, for it being microwaved that long. As you can see, the whole post-product is very well done. We're going to go ahead, put the spatula under here, turn it around, and it looks like the screen has swollen about 5 times its size. That is very impressive. The entire OLPC is in fact thoroughly microwaved. Your professional microwave operator likes the results, approves the results, and thanks you for watching and enjoying Dovetastic Microwave Theatre.
Please choose an activity.
Please choose an activity or else! And I'm not just saying or else, you will please choose an activity. You're gonna choose it now. Go, 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 go. You're gonna choose an activity or else. Now, 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 now. Now, 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 now. Please choose an activity or else. Please choose an activity or else. Today's activity will be about the OLPC slug. The most educational slug. The slug, the best slug the world has ever seen. The OLPC slug. That's today's activity. Today's activity. You will participate or else you will love the OLPC slug. You will love the OLPC slug. It's only $26,001. You will get your OLPC slug now, or else you will love your OLPC slug as I love my OLPC slug. You will love it, or else you will love it, or else now you will love your OLPC slug. Go, 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 OLPC slug.